Let me ask you one honest question. Do you understand English but freeze when you try to speak it? You know the words, you know the grammar, but when it's time to talk, your mind goes blank, your heart beats faster, and your confidence disappears. If that's you, listen carefully. You are not bad at English. You're just trained the wrong way. Today, I'm going to show you how to speak English fluently and confidently, not like a textbook student, but like a real speaker. And no, this is not about memorizing rules. This is about rewiring how you think and speak. Step 1. Stop trying to be perfect. The biggest enemy of English fluency is perfectionism. You think, what if my grammar is wrong? What if they laugh? What if I sound stupid? Let me tell you the truth. Fluent speakers make mistakes all the time. Native speakers make mistakes every single day, but they speak anyway. Confidence doesn't come from speaking perfect English. Confidence comes from speaking without fear. From today, make this rule. I will speak English even if it's not perfect. That one decision will change everything. Step 2. Think in English, not translate. Most learners do this. Think in their native language. Translate into English. Speak slowly and nervously. That's why English feels hard. Fluent speakers don't translate. They think directly in English. Start small. Instead of thinking, Main pani pina chata hoon. I want to drink water. Train your brain to think, I'm festy. Use simple thoughts, not long sentences. When you wake up, say, today is going to be productive. I need to focus. Let's start. Your brain is a muscle. The more you use English, the stronger it gets. Step 3. Speak every day, even alone. You don't need a partner to practice English. You need your voice. Talk to yourself. While walking, while cooking, while looking in the mirror. Describe your actions. I'm making tea. I'm checking my phone. I'm thinking about my goals. This may feel strange, but it works. Fluency is not magic. It's daily repetition. 5 minutes every day is better than 1 hour once a week. Step 4. Learn phrases, not words. Fluent English is not about vocabulary lists. It's about phrases. Instead of learning, decision. Learn. Make a decision. I haven't decided yet. That was a tough decision. Instead of angry, learn. I'm really upset. That annoyed me. I lost my temper. Phrases help you. Speak faster. Sound natural. Feel confident. That's how real English works. Step 5. Improve pronunciation, not accent. You don't need a British or American accent. You need clear pronunciation. Focus on stress, rhythm, intonation. Listen carefully to native speakers. YouTube videos, podcasts, short clips. Then repeat out loud. Pause the video. Repeat the sentence. Copy the tone. This is called shadowing, and it's one of the most powerful techniques in the world. Step 6. Control fear with confidence habits. Confidence is not something you wait for. It's something you build. Before speaking, take a slow breath. Speak slower than your thoughts. Keep your sentences short. Remember, people are not judging your English. They are listening to your message. And if someone corrects you, good. That means you're learning. Silence never improves English. Speaking does. Step 7. Turn English into a lifestyle. Fluent people don't study English. They live in it. Do this. Change your phone language to English. Watch English videos daily. Think, speak, and react in English. Even small changes create big results. English should not feel like a subject. It should feel like a tool. You don't become fluent one day. You become fluent one sentence at a time. One mistake at a time. One brave moment at a time. So speak today. Speak tomorrow. Speak even when your voice shakes, because the world doesn't need your perfect English. It needs your voice. Stop hesitating. Speak English boldly. Break every fear and watch your confidence explode. Fluency starts the moment you decide.